Yo, what's up? This is Cal994. Today I'll be showing you how to set up random MP3 format files on an LG Neon. Set them up as a ringtone or message tone. So if you look, if I were to go to menu, media, sounds. So I got crank squad, run force run thing. So if I click options, it won't give me the option to set it as a ringtone. So what you're gonna want to do, is click on this little camera thing on the side, if you can see. Click on it, go up one, go into MP3 player, all songs. Then you're gonna have to play the song right above your set song when you got your phone, which is Beautiful Sky. So you're just gonna play that song. Gonna go one song forward to Beautiful Sky, options, search, then pick the song you want. So say I'll just do what's a good one, this one. So options, now you can set as ringtone, set it, and there we go. Okay, so now we'll just test it out. We'll put that down, just pick up the phone, call me. So if you just take a look, and let's give it a sec. And there you go. Peace out.